At a town hall meeting in the state of Ohio, President Obama rallied listeners.
We ought to take that money and use it to actually treat people and cover people, not to line pockets of insurers.
Then rolled up his sleeves with an appearance that looked like the return to the campaign trail. He's trying to win support for health care reforms.
Sometimes delays in Washington occur because people just don't want to do anything that they think might be controversial.
And with support for his health care reform plan waning in the United States, Mr. Obama used his greatest weapon Wednesday night, taking his argument to the airwaves, which he did at a news conference that devoted a bulk of time to the health care issue.
It's not going to reduce Medicare benefits. What it's going to do is to change how those benefits are delivered so that they're more efficient.
Mr. Obama is solidifying his argument for health care reforms, saying that they're important to resurrect the United States economy.
What he's saying here is that there are extreme costs of doing nothing, and if anyone had that bill on the plate right now that would say, okay, let's keep the status quo, no one would vote for that. And I think that was a very strong point that he made.
His challenge is to convince doubtful Americans and lawmakers that the price of maintaining the status quo is costlier than the long-debated restructuring of the United States health care system.
If we get everyone in the system from the get-go, we make sure that people have the preventive care they need, that they have a usual source of care, they're going to a doctor, and that care is all coordinated. You need to get everyone in the system from day one, and I think that is key.
But some called President Obama's message too soft, and it didn't win any support from the staunch Republican opposition, who say current proposals are too expensive and unnecessary.
Are you kidding me? I mean, most employers in America are going to look up and go, whoa, 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 that's it. I'll pay the 8% tax that's included in this bill. My employees will have to go fend for themselves.
But President Obama hinted that he might push back the deadline for a compromise sometime in the fall. Congressional members in support of the president's plan are surging ahead to meet his deadline, which he has set in August. But for right now, it seems unlikely as lawmakers haggle over details they'll have to answer to when they face their constituents during the August break. For Press TV, Colin Campbell, Washington.